Morning, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
No, ma'am.
Harsh,
Yes, ma'am.
fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So this is the last lesson, and the writer is Alfonso Daudet, who was a French novel writer and a short story writer. And now this last lesson, you know, it's a beautiful story. It is about a little boy whose name is Franz, Franz. Okay. And this story is written during the days of Franco-Prussian War. It was going on in the year 1870 to 71. The war was going on between France and Prussia. सुनिएगा ध्यान से. Okay, and it was the year 1870 to 71. इसमें जो France था, it was defeated by Prussians. And Prussia, it was led by Bismarck. अब उस समय प्रशिया क्या था बेटा? It consisted of the nations of Germany. ध्यान रखिए, प्रशिया, it consisted of the nations of Germany, okay, Poland and parts of Austria. समझ में आया? ये तीनों मिलकर प्रशिया बना था. Getting it? Germany, Poland और Austria. I'm not talking Australia, I'm talking about Austria के कुछ हिस्से मिलाकर प्रशिया बना था या प्रुशिया बना था. और the war started between Germany, or we can say between Prussians and the French people. But Prussians, you know, it was led by Bismarck was the leader, and anyhow Prussians were successful in defeating France. Okay, and this war, it took place in the year 1870-71. Clear? आ गया बच्चों इतना समझ में? Answer me, understood or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
अब क्या
Yes,
होता है?
ma'am.
Ma'am.
You know, French districts जो Alsace and Lorraine के होते हैं, okay, they passed into Prussian hands. Okay, Prussian control में pass. साहिल जैन, फिर तुम आ गई ये stupid सी pic लेकर.
मैम
Last
जीमेल से
time I
कनेक्टेड
also
है,
told you
ऑटोमेटिकली
not,
लग
I do
जाती है.
not want to see anything, you know, vulgar on the screen. Remove it. I
मैम
don't want.
ऑटोमेटिकली जीमेल से कनेक्टेड थी.
ऑटोमेटिक है तो इसको आप सेट करिए प्रॉपर्ली. ऐसा नहीं होता है कि
Yes,
ऑटोमेटिकली
ma'am.
आ गई, आपने सेट करी हुई होगी ना बेटा.
मैम जीमेल में थी इस वजह से अभी से.
हाँ तो आप जीमेल से भी हटाइए इसको. आज ठीक है, आज चलने दो. कल से आप आओगे तो ऐसे मैं रिमूव कर दूंगी. ठीक है? So now this story, you know, it is about two districts of Alsace and Lorraine. They passed into Prussian hands. Okay. अब ये दो डिस्ट्रिक्ट तो चले गए थे Prussian hands में, लेकिन what effect, you know, this had on the life at school, this is narrated in the story. ठीक है? अब Prussians के कंट्रोल का क्या असर हुआ वहां के लोगों पर, वहां के बच्चों पर, स्कूल लाइफ पर, this is there in the story. Introduction is clear? Introduction
Yes,
clear,
ma'am.
beta? Okay, fine. I started for school very late. Now who is I here? I is the little boy, and the name of the boy is Friends. This is the
Friends.
first
Friends.
narration. Okay, first person narration है जिसमें narrator अपनी कहानी बता रहा है और कहानी बताने वाला who is there? Little boy, little Friends. Now what he says, I started for school very late that morning and was in great dread of a scolding, especially because M. Hamel had said that he would question us on participles, and I did not know the first word about them. Okay, like every school child, you know, even this boy, he was studying in a school, and like many of the boys or many of the students, when they do not complete their homework, they are in fear of getting scolded by the teacher in the school. So they always think of having some excuse not to reach the school or avoid reaching the school or to reach the school late. Okay, means so that the main gate, it may be closed, right? यानी उनके पास हमेशा बहाने होते हैं. जब बच्चे अपना होमवर्क नहीं करते हैं, कुछ नहीं करते हैं, और मालूम है कि टीचर इज वेरी स्ट्रिक्ट, तो दे आर ऑलवेज लुकिंग फॉर एन एक्सक्यूज फॉर एन अपॉर्चुनिटी कि किसी तरह से, है ना, वी शुड बिगिन लेट फ्रॉम होम टू द स्कूल सो दैट वी माइट reach late there, and by the time the main gate it closes and they have this solid excuse कि क्या करें, पेरेंट्स को बोल सकते हैं कि क्या करें, हम लेट हो गए थे इसलिए the main gate it got closed. तो similarly ये जो little boy होता है ना, he started late for the school, and great dread, okay, write down the meanings as well. Great dread means he was in great fear of a scolding, और उसको ये डर था कि today he is going to get a scolding because M. Hamel was his teacher and he had given the students, okay, a homework on participles. पार्टिसिपल्स है ना, उसके रूल्स वगैरह लर्न करने के लिए दिए होंगे सर ने, या जो भी होमवर्क दिया होगा, और वो कहता है कि सर ने ये होमवर्क दिया था, आई डिड नॉट डू इट, एंड इनफैक्ट ही डिड नॉट नो द फर्स्ट वर्ड अबाउट देम. इवन फर्स्ट वर्ड भी नहीं मालूम था एम हैमल को अबाउट पार्टिसिपल्स. गेटिंग बेटा?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
yes ma'am. तो नहीं आ रही है, दिक्कत तो नहीं आ रही है, समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
If you fail to understand anything, let me know, I'll explain it again, okay? Now see, for a moment I thought of running away and spending the day out of doors. It was so warm, so bright. Now see, when he started late for school, he was not in the mood of going to school. So like many of the students, what I say, like many of the students, even he thought that he would run away. He would spend his day out of doors, means out of the school, and he would spend the whole day, and when there is the time to return back, okay, when the school gets over, similarly at the same time he would return back to his house. Nobody will come to know, not even the parents will come to know. ओके उसको लगा किसी को मालूम नहीं पड़ेगा, पेरेंट्स को भी नहीं मालूम पड़ेगा, जैसा कि बहुत सारे बच्चे भी ऐसे ही करते हैं बेटा, है ना, दे बंक द स्कूल. तो सिमिलरली उसने भी सोचा बंकिंग द स्कूल. अब क्या हुआ, अब बंक करने का एक रीजन तो क्या था, दैट ही हैड नॉट डन द होमवर्क. Okay, besides this there were many other reasons. क्या थे, the day was so warm, so bright. समझ में आ गया? Now in the cold countries when they have a sunny day, okay, we usually have sunny days, scorching heat every day, isn't it? हमारे यहाँ scorching heat साउथ वगैरह में अक्सर होती है, राइट, सदर्न कंट्रीज वगैरह
Yes,
में.
ma'am.
लेकिन वहां पर जो कोल्ड कंट्रीज हैं, फ्रांस, जर्मनी एंड ऑल, वहां पर सनी डेज बहुत कम होते हैं. तो वो डे उनके लिए बड़ा अट्रैक्टिव होता है बेटा, है ना, इट इज ऑलमोस्ट लाइक अ पिकनिक डे फॉर देम. तो वो कहता है इवन द डे इट वाज वेरी वार्म एंड इट वाज वेरी ब्राइट. द बर्ड्स वर चर्पिंग एट द एज ऑफ द वुड्स. नाउ सी, द डे वाज वेरी ब्राइट, it was very warm, so even the birds, they had come out from the nest, they had come out from the hiding places, okay, from the trees, from the tree branches, they had come out and they all were very happy. Why? Because the whole atmosphere was very warm and the birds were chirping. Even during the winter, see, even in a country when there are severe winters, okay, you never listen to the chirping or the twittering of the birds, isn't it? You see very few people there on the roads and on the streets when there is a severe cold, when there are severe winters. But as soon as the sun is very bright, okay, जब sun बहुत bright होता है तो क्या होता है, people they come out and they try to enjoy the sun heat, the warmth of the sun. Even the birds, the animals, even they come out and they want to stand under the sun. So similarly ऐसा वहां पर भी हुआ कि even the birds were quite happy. Why? Because the day was very warm and very bright. So even the birds were twittering, the birds were chirping. Clear?
Yes,
And
ma'am.
in the open field back of the sawmill, the Prussian soldiers were drilling. Drilling means they were practicing for the war. समझ में आया?
Yes.
ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. This can be a question. Okay, what things tempted little boy to remain out of doors? First one was warm and bright day. Second, twittering of the birds at the edge of the wood. Edge is the boundary or the corner of the woods. Woods are what? The forest. Okay. Then he was also tempted by the Prussian soldiers who were practicing there in the open field, right? तो वो कहता है it was all much more tempting than the rule for participles. Got it बेटा? अब उस छोटे
Yes.
बच्चे के लिए स्टडी से ज्यादा टेम्पटिंग चीज क्या लगी? Chirping of the birds, warm or bright day, Prussian soldiers practicing. What I said the other day, I was telling the children in the class, कि suppose you send your younger brother, okay, or a younger sister to buy something for you just next to your house, the shop is there, and you just send them to buy a pen or a pencil or anything for you. Okay, क्या होगा? Normally जो बच्चा है, when he will move out of the house, he won't return soon. He is going to take, if 5 minutes का time है, तो he will return within 10 to 15 minutes. क्यों? क्योंकि बच्चा जो है बाहर की चीजों से अट्रैक्ट होगा. ओके, टेम्प्ट होता है बच्चा, राइट? तो इसी तरह से लिटिल फ्रेंड्स जो है बेटा, वो भी टेम्प्ट हो रहा था ये सब चीजों से. एंड स्टडी से ज्यादा फैसिनेटिंग, टेम्प्टिंग, अट्रैक्टिंग उसको ये सब चीजें लगती. बट आई हैड द स्ट्रेंथ टू रेजिस्ट एंड हरिड ऑफ टू स्कूल. सी नाउ, but he had the strength to resist means means to stay away from all these temptations. लेकिन उसके अंदर इतनी स्ट्रेंथ थी कि उसने अपने आप को दूर रखा इन सारी टेम्पटेशन से. उसके अंदर इतना सेल्फ कंट्रोल था कि he remained away from these temptations, and finally he decides to go to school and he just hurried up. Followed?
Yes, ma'am.
सबको आ गया समझ में?
Yes, ma'am.
अब ये अंडरलाइन करिए. What were the things that tempted little boy to remain out of doors? बेटा बुक्स में अंडरलाइन कर लीजिए. क्या क्या है? Warm and bright day, chirping of the birds at the edge of the wood, drilling of the Prussian soldiers. फटाफट अंडरलाइन करिए. Underlined?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, how many
Yes.
of you are having the book? Just raise your hands. How many of you are having the book, beta? Raise your hands. Only 3 of the students. 4, 5, 6, 5. You must have the book, okay? Try to arrange for the books. Good.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. And the students who are not having the book, मैंने बता दिया ना, PDF open कर लीजिए. नहीं तो लिंक पर जाइए जो सर ने भेजा है, उस पे all the books are available online में. ठीक है, वो ओपन करिए until and unless you do not get the hard copy. ठीक है बेटा?
Yes,
लेकिन
ma'am.
do not sit without the study material. Okay, the next para. So he started going to school. Okay, he hurried off to school. फटाफट वो स्कूल जाने लगा. उसके अंदर इतना सेल्फ कंट्रोल था कि उसने ये टेम्पटेशन अपना कंट्रोल कर लिया. And he hurried off to the school. Now see what I say. Every chapter, every para of the chapter is important. So listen carefully. When I passed the town hall, there was a crowd in front of the bulletin board. Now, do you know what is a bulletin board? What is a bulletin board? Who will tell me, beta?
No.
At least you can guess.
I made just notice which was held in our school in front of
A little louder.
office.
Little. What is the bulletin board, Harsh? It is a,
Notice board.
yes, it is a,
Notice board.
Notice board.
okay, it is a notice board. It is a kind of a board that is placed, okay? maybe in the institutions, maybe outside the press. Press, you got it, where the newspapers are printed, right? There a big
Yes,
board
ma'am.
is placed and on it the daily newspaper is pasted or clipped on it. समझ में आया? कई बार आप शहरों में देखो जो
Yes, ma'am.
न्यूज़पेपर ऑफिस होते हैं उनके बाहर a big board is there, that is the bulletin board and that delivers the news, you know. और उस पर या तो क्लिप कर दिया जाता है न्यूज़पेपर को या पेस्ट कर दिया जाता है, whatever it is, so that people might read it. So similarly he passed the town hall se nikla and there was a crowd in front of the bulletin board. Lot of people were standing and they were reading the news, you know, from the newspaper that was there on the bulletin board. For the last 2 years, underline, all our bad news had come from there. अब little friends देखता है तो उसको अच्छा नहीं लगता, वो bold देखता है, क्यों? उसको ध्यान आता है कि from the last 2 years all the bad news, you know, it is coming there from the bulletin board. The laws, battles, the drafts, the orders of the commanding officer. कहता है जो बैटल्स हम लूज कर रहे हैं, हम जो ड्राफ्ट, जो नए नए कानून बन रहे हैं, नए ऑर्डर्स जो कमांडर्स दे रहे हैं, कमांडिंग ऑफिसर्स दे रहे हैं, तो सारी बुरी खबरें, ऑल द बैड न्यूज, you know, it had been coming from there. And I thought to myself without stopping, see now, this little boy, he did not stop. Okay, and without stopping, he thinks on his own, what can be the matter now? Or वो रुका नहीं, उसको अच्छा नहीं लगा वहां रुकना, he did not find it good, you know, he did not like to stop there. क्यों? क्योंकि उसको मालूम था कि all the dirty, all the bad news is coming. Nowadays many people, they do not switch on the TV and they do not listen to the news. Why they are afraid, they are scared of listening to the news? Can you tell me one reason, one main reason behind it? Yes, Harsh?
Because, ma'am, the loss of loss in war by France, by
No,
Prussia.
okay, that is good. But right now also, today also, we
Corona.
the people, you know, we are scared of switching on the TV. We are scared of listening to the news. We never try to switch on the TV channels nowadays. Why? What fear do we have? Many of us, we have this fear, you know, we are scared of listening to the news. Why? Yes, Harsh Dadit?
Ma'am, Corona.
Yes, very
Yes,
good.
ma'am. COVID.
Because of the pandemic or because of the corona that is spreading too fast, and so many lakhs and lakhs of people are infected every day. So many deaths are taking place in the country, in the whole world. तो उस डर की वजह से अब हमारी इच्छा नहीं होती to switch on the TV channels, okay? Especially the news channels. हमें लगता है वापस वही होगा, कोरोना में इतनी डेथ हुई, इतने केसेस आए, दिस एंड दैट, ओके, तो हमें अच्छा नहीं लगता, इसलिए हम सुनते ही नहीं है ना? कई लोग न्यूज़पेपर भी नहीं पढ़ते कि सारी कोरोना की न्यूज होगी. तो सिमिलरली ये जो लिटिल बच्चा था ना बेटा, लिटिल फ्रेंड्स, इवन ही डिड नॉट like to look at the bulletin board. उसको मालूम था last 2 years से सारी bad news is coming. जो battles वो French people हार रहे थे, जो new laws बन रहे थे, orders जो commanding officer के थे, और वो बच्चा चलते चलते, you know, he thought now what can be the matter now, what can be the bad news now, why so many people are standing there, and he did not stop, rather he continued his walk towards the school. Then as I hurried by as fast as I could go, the blacksmith watcher, who was there with his apprentice reading the bulletin, called after me, don't go so fast, Bub, you will get to your school in plenty of time. Now see, as this boy, you know, he was walking fast. A blacksmith with his apprentice means with his helper, even he was standing there, he might be reading the newspaper. When he saw this little boy walking very fast, his name was Walter, the name of the blacksmith, you know, तो उसने उसको टीज करा, उसको छेड़ा और कहता है, ओ बेबी, डोंट बी सो फास्ट, यू हैव गॉट प्लेंटी ऑफ टाइम टू रीच स्कूल, ओके, उसको टीज करता है, उसकी हंसी उड़ाता है, ही मेड फन ऑफ हिम कि बच्चे जल्दी क्या है, बहुत टाइम है टू रीच द स्कूल. I thought he was making fun of me and reached Sam Hamill's little garden all out of breath. अब लिटिल फ्रेंड समझ गया कि he was making fun of him, okay, कि वो उसकी हंसी उड़ा रहा है, तो वो और जल्दी जल्दी चलने लगा और बिल्कुल when you run very fast or when you walk very fast you become what, breathless, okay, panting हो जाती है, सांस फूल जाती है, all out of breath, है ना. तो वो एम हैमल का लिटिल गार्डन, एम हैमल कौन है, टीचर है, लिटिल गार्डन इज द गार्डन ऑफ द स्कूल, okay, there he reaches and he was out of breath, right, followed.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
अब क्या होता है बेटा, अभी हम क्लास में भी डिस्कस कर रहे थे ना कि यूजुअली जब स्कूल बिगिन होता है रोज, व्हाट डू यू फाइंड एज यू एंटर द स्कूल, व्हाट डू यू फाइंड एज यू एंटर द स्कूल अर्ली इन द मॉर्निंग, व्हाट डू यू सी ऑन एंटरिंग द स्कूल. यस केशव. Okay, your voice is not clear. Akhilesh, as you enter the school early in the morning, what do you see? What do you find? Come on, beta, you
Student.
can tell me. Akhilesh,
Regularly the student.
yes, beta, what? Pardon, I'm not able to listen. Be louder.
Ma'am, student.
Students, what is the
Yes,
atmosphere of the
ma'am. School में the students.
huh?
Yes, ma'am.
What is the atmosphere of the school when you enter?
I'm
What
sunny.
is
Ma'am, when I
हाँ बोलो बेटा. Yes. Harshit,
warm and bright.
warm and bright. अखिलेश, जब आप एंटर होते हो,
Ma'am, yes, in some way.
चिराग,
Ma'am, that some students are playing, some are roaming.
yes, good. Akhilesh, when you enter the school, what do you see? So many students, beta. Some of them are moving to the class, some of them are
Ma'am,
some of them are standing, isn't it? The teachers,
yes, ma'am.
and what more do you see? What else? As you enter the class, you see the moving of the furniture. Okay, देखते हो ना, आवाज सुनाई देती है ना फर्नीचर की.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, तो यूजुअली यही होता है बेटा, छोटे बच्चों की आवाजें आती हैं, स्टूडेंट्स की आती हैं, बहुत बसलिंग साउंड होती है, बड़ा शोर शराबा होता है जब हम स्कूल में एंटर होते हैं, राइट. एंड सपोज यू एंटर द स्कूल एंड यू फाइंड पिन ड्रॉप साइलेंस. Suppose you enter the school and you find pin drop silence. What will you think? क्या सोचोगे आप? Either
Ma'am,
you, yes,
This is a Sunday morning.
हाँ, संडे मॉर्निंग तो है, लेकिन आपके दिमाग में क्या आइडिया आएगा? Is it a holiday today?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Today is
ma'am.
holiday.
या फिर am I too late today?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
So what
ma'am.
happened? What happened? Why everybody is in the classes?
Yes, ma'am.
है ना, कुछ 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 अलग हटके हो रहा है, समथिंग अनयूजुअल, यही आएगा ना. ओहो, आज क्या बात है यार, एवरीबडी इज देयर इन द क्लासेस, राइट बेटा. ये क्या बात है, आज छुट्टी है, कोई बच्चे नहीं दिख रहे हैं,
Yes, ma'am.
है ना. तो सिमिलरली ऐसा लिटिल फ्रेंड्स के साथ भी होता था. पर उस दिन क्या हुआ, ही फाउंड द एटमॉस्फेयर एब्सोल्युटली डिफरेंट. इट वाज नॉट लाइक अदर डेज. समझ गए?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
अच्छा, अब ये सबको समझ में आ गया बेटा, इतना आ गया.
yes, ma'am.
Yes,
चलिए,
Yes, ma'am.
अब हम इसको रिवाइज
Yes.
करेंगे एंड देन वी आर गोइंग टू कंटिन्यू टुमारो, इफ टुमारो इज अ हॉलीडे. then the next day. Written?
Okay, ma'am.
Understood?
Thank.
ठीक है, पर रिवाइज
Okay, ma'am.
ना सीरियसली. ओके,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
ओके, बाय बेटा, गॉड ब्लेस यू.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes.